Today, guys, we'll be taking on this all-new EVPAD version, and I have here is the EVPAD 10p. We've tried different EVPads on the past. We have the 8, the 9, and right now we have the 10. So we'll be trying to see what are the things that has improved over the EVPAD 10p, and would it be compatible even with my desktop monitor? We'll be trying it out right after this quick intro. Hi guys, it's me Rich of Gadget Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So this is the EVPAD 10p. So you can see that it's a white box this time around, not the usual color blue box from EVPAD. And it says it supports 8K. We have 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, and it is wireless voice command capable via remote control. And this one is being powered by Android 10. It supports Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6. Let me open. This is the EVPAD 10p. It's, well, almost the same as the version 9, but it looks a little bit sleeker this time around. This one is quite light, and you can even bring this for traveling. We have your charging port, your LAN port, your HDMI port, your optical port, and of course your audio jack. At the side, we have 2 USB ports and of course a micro SD support. Other things inside the box, we have a user guide. We have your charging brick, we have your power cord, we have your HDMI cable, of course the remote control. Battery is not included. So you need 2 AAA batteries over here to make this work. And this is the voice command button. So instead of porting this over to my TV, how about let's port it over to my computer monitor. So guys, you've seen the review of the EVPAD 10p. And of course, I would say that it's a lot faster than the 9p that we had previously. And what's even nicer, this one, is that now we have completed setting up our EVPAD 10p. So this is not really bad. Actually, when I don't plan to use my desktop PC, I can use the same monitor and watch my favorite shows on the EVPAD 10p. So this is basically the home screen, as you can see. So we have the browser, we have your voice command over here, the mall, services, settings, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and more. So you can add your custom application over here. And some of these apps are basically the default one. You have your Play Store over here, some settings, and you can of course do some local updates, and you can even calibrate your LED. So basically you need to press 6868 to unlock the some of the apps that's hidden on this EVPAD 10p. So you can install this one. These are the stuff that's not being installed. You can basically select Express Install to install all of them. So there we have everything installed on this one. So we can port them all out. So we have your Venus V10 and the other ones. So this is basically the one that we need here. The most important one is Venus V10. Let's go on over and check this one out. This is what it's all about. Watching all of your favorite shows here, mostly the latest ones, the movies, some of your favorite Korean novella, and some of your favorite dramas are here. So on top, we can see that most of these are the recommended shows, like the Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. This is one of the latest one. The Flash, and you can see some of these other movies that's being recommended to me. You can watch some 4K shows here. You can see Black Panda, Wakanda Forever, and some of these other shows like the Black Adam. Okay, so many latest videos over here, and even the Avatar. Now we also have some Blu-ray films over here. These are basically one of the latest films that you can see. This is from Pixar, and more other shows that you can see. Okay, so you can have some shows from China, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and other European countries. 4K videos and flicks for Netflix. Some dramas, variety shows. We have some comics. So these are some of the animes. Okay, so you have your previews over there on the side, which is good. Then we have some child-friendly videos over here for toddlers. We have some sports channel over here. So let's quickly head on over to live. So we can watch some uh, TV shows. Let's just say from Hong Kong. Okay, so this is some of the news channels here on Hong Kong. So on the side, we can see Hong Kong, China, Taiwan, Singapore, Malaysia. We have Australia, US, Canada, Japan, Korea, and some sports channel. Okay, so UK, India, Cambodia, Vietnam, Philippines. Let's try Philippines for a change. BBC News. So this is BBC News here in the Philippines. So I didn't put on sounds for me to not getting demonetized. So let's say I want to watch a show from Hong Kong here. So View TV. So yeah, you can basically watch what's live there in Hong Kong. And there are some channels that supports playback, and not all of them, but you can watch some of them. Let's just say you missed some shows a while ago, you can just simply head on here on the side. But these are basically the shows that's going to go on air. But some of them are you can do some playback depending on the channel if they support it or not. Recommended videos over here. Just try to watch Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. It's quite a interesting video that I personally haven't watched yet. So you can see a quick preview here on the side, and try to play this one. Play some audio. You can change some audio tracks over here should you want, or you can go stretch full screen and some of the other settings here that you want to use. It's all up to you depending on, of course, your preferences. So you can scroll it over. So you can scroll it over and fast forward. So I'm just giving you a quick preview of what to see from this show. So inside, you can see some shows here from Netflix, should you want. So you can see that on the side we have Netflix, G Plus, which is Disney Plus, HBO Max, and some other shows here from different countries around the world. So we have some of the latest updated one here that you can choose from. To say you want to watch some just choose this one. So you can watch some of your favorite shows here. So basically you can watch some of your favorite shows here on Netflix, Disney Plus, HBO Max, and more other choices. So you won't run out of TV shows to watch here from the EVPAD 10p. So you can also watch some kiddie shows over here for kids. Giving you some a quick example over here is My Little Pony. It's just a quick example for your kids to watch. And you can even watch some English Premier League over here, should you want. You can watch a lot of sports shows over here. So not only do you have the Venus 10 over here to play with, there's a lot of other things you can do here, like like putting some pictures over here, checking this one, interstellar VOD. It means it's a interstellar video on demand. So these are some of the collection from different countries, I believe. So we can see some from Ping Fong. Okay, so some educational ones like Baby Shark, which is kind of cute. Now you have your browser here, which is ORZ. Now you can change the color of the lightings over here. So let's just say you want to put it red. You can see it's color red. Want to make it multicolor. Well, it can breed multicolor over here, which looks cool. Basically, you can install Spotify if you want, and you can also watch some of your favorite shows here on YouTube, which we would try right now. So let's just simply try to use the voice command over here on the remote control. Gadget Sidekick. So okay, so this is my channel. So we use voice command to search for my channel. So it's really cool that we get to watch my own channel over here. So let's just sit back and relax. This is basically me watching myself unboxing the ZT Nubia Z50S Pro, which looks really cool. One of the latest from ZTE. And basically you can watch all of your favorite content creators here on YouTube from the EVPAD 10p. Now you can also browse here, if you can connect your keyboard and mouse, wireless keyboard and mouse over here, which would be nice if rather than typing here on the remote, which kind of takes a long time. So yeah, I would recommend you to have a keyboard and mouse wireless one that you can use over here to be able to search for things a lot faster. You can also use the Air mouse here, so that you can sometimes browse even faster. But having a keyboard and mouse might be faster than you should. But having a keyboard and mouse might be faster. So yeah, you can read of your favorite news over here on the EVPAD 10p, and there's a lot of other things that you can do here as well. It has a lot of shows for you to choose from. I think they have even expanded a little bit more as compared to the 9p. But overall, the responsiveness is a lot faster, and I'm really happy with the improvement of the EVPAD 10p over the version 9, of course. So guys, if you want to know where you can buy this one, the EVPAD 10p is from the Total Family Package Entertainment that you can even bring this anywhere you want, anywhere you go, as long as your TV or your computer monitor supports a HDMI port or even a portable projector wherever you go. I believe that this is a good companion for the Total Entertainment package. I'll be posting the link on the description box below where you can buy this one. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads here from my channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.